In this video, we will walk through installing and configuring the STid Mobile ID application process. Once the mobile credential is successfully enrolled, STid will send an email to the address provided during enrollment. Navigate to the automated email and follow the instructions. By clicking on either Google Play Store or App Store to download the STid Mobile ID application. Click on Install and then open to begin configuring the STid Mobile application. On the introductory screen, you can click on Continue to proceed. This screen explains the security of your personal data. The next screen is the License and Use Agreement, where you will need to click on the arrow to navigate to the end and click on Accept. You will need to activate Bluetooth as well as NFC on your phone. Please note, NFC is not supported on iOS. It is also advisable to disable your battery saver and enable notifications. You then have the option to discover various identification modes. While most configurations are completed during the installation and setup of the STid mobile app, you can also verify and change them under the app settings on your phone. Now that you have completed installing the STid Mobile ID application, you can navigate back to the automated email and click on the link to download the virtual card. Opening the app will show your blue credential that you have just downloaded, accompanied by a brief message stating updating your virtual cards. You also have the option to have your credential customized. Click on the selected icon to open the full menu where you can view cards. Amend authentication, tap, notifications, application and other settings. View live tutorials of different compatible authentication modes. In the Primo user interface under Reader Presets, the expected behavior for each mode such as card, tap, remote and hands-free mode can be configured. View the application's privacy policy. And view the About menu, which contain information regarding the app and SDK version as well as the license and usage agreement. Thank you for watching.